Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a full review on this remote, Samsung remote that I just got it from Temu, and it is only $3 like 297. I got it from Temu, so I'm gonna test it out and let you know whether you should buy it from Temu, from Temu for this kind of things. This is for Samsung TV, and they said it is a universal remote. So I have lost my one. So you see, if it looks like fully compared to Samsung one. I have my original remote. Let me show you that one. So this is my another TV. For my another TV, I have this remote, and if you look at here, this is one from Temu, and this is from the original another TV remote. So, and if you see here, the differences are here, only this button, and it doesn't have any what it's called, like voice system, voice recognition, so that you cannot do, but most of the things are close. So this is the remote that I got only for $3 for my another Samsung TV. So I'm gonna do a test on this, and let's see how it works or not, and all the buttons are working or not. It needs two AA batteries. So let me put the batteries and do the test, and then you can tell, like I can tell if you need to buy it or not, because this kind of remote, original remote, that is very expensive, like $70-80, and sometimes it is more than $100. So this is only $3. So let me do a test and see if it works or not. So here's the two batteries. Let me put them. So I just put it, and let me close it. Didn't close. Okay, here's the manual. You can check out the manual. I always suggest you go through the manual first. So here's the manual. So I put it the battery, and let me try this one, like do the test. Let's go and test with the TV. So friends, here's my TV, and this is the remote. So TV turns on, you can see, and I have the sound bar. If you can look at here,
I got to meet him to tell him what he did for me, and how great he was. And I love the fact that he had the best man.
so if you can see, it is working nicely. And if you look at here, I just down the volume. I just volume down, and it working. So, and volume up, you can see, and I have a sound bar. If you look at here, the sound bar is actually getting controlled by the remote. So if you look at here, so it is working. So let me put the mute. So this is the mute. This is for audio. Let me put the mute. So let me put it in the mute. This is the mute button, sound. So mute is working. You can see it working. And unmute. Unmute is also working. Let's check if channel switching is working or not. Yes, it is working. I think those channels are not there. So it is working. So you can see it is working nicely. And let's see the home button. Yes, home button is working. If I switch to YouTube, it is working. If I go back, and let's say if I want to, no home button. Let's say I want to press this direct Netflix. Yes, Netflix is coming up. Let's say I want to do Prime. I press the Prime and it's coming up. So the Prime also came up. And if I put www that, yes, this is also working. You can see the mouse is working. Okay, this is really nice. So, and let's go to the home and TV. So the remote is really working. I am really satisfied with this. And this is the remote. So this is my original like regular TV, which is the similar remote that I showed you. This TV is for that, but I didn't purchase this remote for this TV. I purchased it for another TV. Let me do a test on that. That is little older version. So let me do a test on that. Let's go there. So I have this TV in the in my basement. This TV I lost my remote actually because of my daughter, and I am using this older version some remote and which is not very good. So I want to try this one with this remote. So looks like it is working. I just press the button and it's working. Looks like yes, it is working. This doesn't have all the channels or everything. That's why I took actually that one. So smart hub is being updated. Okay, so home looks like home button is working because I placed the home button and smart hub is working, trying to getting update. And even if I click on Netflix, smart hub is updating, so that will the volume is working. You can see even Netflix is working. Try again, exit. Yeah, I know, could not connect. That's different. That's a different issue. So you can see now home button is working because it's getting updated. So everything is working. Even this is working. So all the features are actually working nicely. So which is really good. And actually if I want to go to my like everywhere, so this is really good. This is working as expected. So I really like this remote, friends. This is nice. It is working fine. So and like with this button, this 1 2 3 button, with this you can see it is coming everything, and you can go to your menu or anything like, because this is a old model TV. So even if you want to go to that menu, you can easily go and navigate everything. So everything you can do with this remote. So this is really good. So that's all about this video. This is only a $3 remote, and I know the plastic quality is not that good, that strong, but it is working. It is doing all the work that it needs to do. So if you have any other remote, if you want any other remote like that one, like the original one, if you lose, you can use this one. That's, you can save a lot of money. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.